In front of me is POCO M5, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and here just click on add account. Now choose Google, and then enter your email address or phone number. And tap on next then. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next, and then you'll be redirected to this panel where you should pick if this device is yours or your kiddos. If it's yours, just choose this first option and then tap on next. Tap on I agree then to go further. Tap on accept again, and that's it. Your account has been added, and from now on it is connected with your POCO. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.